Parents might just think these classes and hobbies may be useless, but in all reality, they're actually helpful. For us getting to know them now, it can help build onto our career later on in the future.
Taking a part in building PCs has taught me a lot about how technology works on a deeper level, which is really useful for me getting a job in the IT field or at companies like Intel. Learning about computer hardware isn't just a class I take for fun, it's a stepping stone to getting my college degree in engineering or IT specialties.
Whether we're welding metal, nurturing plants, or crafting designs, these classes help us turn our talents into real-world careers.
In the greenhouse, I have learned how to grow and care for plants, which could lead to a career such as a greenhouse manager or studying sustainable agriculture in college. These classes have helped me explore careers in agriculture, such as running a nursery to working with large-scale farming operations.
Interior design and fashion design helped me express my creativity while building practical skills for careers in design.
Whether it's designing spaces or creating clothing, these classes are the first step toward working in industries that are both creative and rewarding.
Food nutrition classes show us how food can impact our lives and can lead to careers like being a dietitian or working in culinary arts.
These classes aren't just about cooking. They help me prepare for a career to help people live healthier lives.
In our entrepreneurship class, we're not just learning concepts. We're creating real business plans for ideas we're passionate about.
I've had the chance to create a startup idea in class, pitch it to others, and see if it could actually work in the real world.
This class teaches us how businesses are built from the ground up and how we can build our own someday.
Through these classes, I've learned how to manage money, lead a team, and think critically, skills I use no matter what career I choose. The variety of business classes here means we can explore our different interests and figure out what we're really passionate about.
Learning to suture, perform CPR, and using a backboard gives us real-world skills that could one day save lives.
These hands-on experiences prepare us for careers as EMTs, nurses, and even surgeons.
Every practice session brings us closer to confidently stepping into roles where we can make an impact in healthcare.
In anatomy, we don't just look at textbooks. We get hands-on with activities that help us understand how the body works.
From studying muscles to exploring organ systems, these classes are the first step to careers in healthcare.
Anatomy gives us the foundations to excel in fields like medicine, nursing, and biomedical research.
A lot of people think that the CTE classes are just really fun and just easy classes as you're in high school, but I was really grateful when I realized that those classes really have helped me in my career. My journey from going from CTE classes to Bridgerland and then to now Utah State University, I think that the skills that I learned in the CTE classes, they directly transitioned to Bridgerland. Those same skills transitioned here to Utah State, also to the job I have now. After I graduated high school, a couple months later is when I graduated from Bridgerland, so it was really nice to be able to do Bridgerland completely for free. You know, that's like thousands of dollars right there that I was able to save. I work at this place called Uinta Design. It's here in Logan, and we do custom bags and accessories. We work with a bunch of different brands. Some of the brands I work with directly have been Hoka, Peloton, Chick-fil-A. I would definitely encourage literally all the students ever to take any CTE classes.
From preparing meals to shaping young minds, these programs are helping us build futures that are impactful as they are rewarding. These aren't just school projects, they're stepping stones to careers that are shaping the world around us.